ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಗರದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾದ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಜನಸಂಘ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ನೂತನವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶಾತಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇರ್ಗಡೆಯಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಸಲು ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಮತ್ತು ಬೋಧನೆ ನೀಡುವುದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಉಜ್ವಲ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಲು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದಾಂಬೆಯು ಕೃಪೆ ಇರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿ ಶೈಲಜಾ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ.
It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you people for the academic year 2020-21 from the Department of English. We are bounded here to serve for you people, not only teaching the art or literature or grammar. We are ready to teach you the communication skills, the attitudes of yours, and more than that, soft skills for you people. And best of luck for your future endeavor. Once again, I welcome you for the RGS First Aid College from the Department of English. Welcome.
Myself, K.L. Rajesh, Vice Principal and HOD Commerce Department. The Department of Commerce in the prestigious RGS First Aid College is operational since 1995. Our department is proud enough to run BCom as well as MCom program under Bangalore Central University with CBCS pattern. Our teachers are delivering the quality lecture and organizing value-added courses and certificate courses to make the student to fulfill the corporate requirements. We also undertake seminars, workshops, industrial visits, and placement activities regularly so that by the time they complete their graduation, the student will get a better opportunity in the corporate sector. I wholeheartedly welcome all the freshers to our RGS First Aid College.
Hello everyone, myself Naveen, HOD, Department of BSc PMCS. In our course, along with regular classes, we also provide students with various certificate programs, field visits, science exhibitions, and many more student-oriented programs. In the year 2019, one of our student, Pallavi YS, secured 9th rank in the Bangalore University examination, which made us proud of her. The same way, we expect our present and upcoming students also to achieve and secure many more ranks. So, I welcome you to the Department of BSc PMCS, RGS First Grade College. All the best, students.
Dear students, welcome to Department of Biotechnology at RGS First Aid College. You all feel proud that you have chosen a better course. The whole world is waiting for future biotechnologists and microbiologists in order to face lots of issues related to medicine and healthcare. On this junction, I wish you all a good luck. May God bless you all. Once again, a hearty welcome to our institution.
My name is Pallavi and I am studying in RGS First Grade College. I am pursuing my graduation here from past 3 years and my overall experience in this college is really good. The college is provided with a hygiene, infrastructure and a canteen facility. The college is under the surveillance of CCTV cameras which provides us a very good security. And the college, the faculties here are really good and friendly. They help us in many ways. The colleges also have additional facilities such as NCC. They also conduct sports facilities. They also have some cultural functions here. So it helps in your overall development and improve your skill.
Hello guys, welcome to RJS FGC. I am here to welcome you all. I was Student Council President in 1920 batch. I am moving out of this college. A short message to you. This is a better place to enjoy as well as to study. I have a better experience in this college. You'll find the best teaching staff I have ever seen, and hope you will do your best in studying as well as other activities. I will wish you all very best of luck.
Hello students, on behalf of Computer Science and Application Department, I welcome you all to the beautiful family of RJS FGC. We are having very good laboratories. We will be providing individual systems to each and every student. We are having very good placements. We will be provided live projects which will be guided by our faculty, and we are getting continuous university ranks. And apart from that, we are also providing value-added courses in advanced topics, and we will be conducting IT Fest, workshops, and so many other events. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Welcome you all again.
Librarian, RJS First Year College, Corvalla. I heartily welcome you all to RJS First Year College.
Respected parents and my dear students, hearty welcome to prestigious institute RJS First Aid College. Dear students, 2021 academic year classes will commence from September 14th. From September 14th to 30th of September, you have online classes, and from October 1st, you have offline classes as per the COVID rules. Once again, I welcome you to RJS First Aid College.